What's up, guys? I'm out here today on the top of the French Alps and I'm gonna do some paragliding. Okay, so apparently I'm not allowed to take my GoPro with me, so I'm gonna have the guy use his GoPro and he will film for me, so I'll just sit back and enjoy the ride and chill like these guys. But I chose to do an option that's the full extreme, so it's a little bit more money, but it's so worth it for the experience. So I'm pretty stoked. Stay tuned. Well, I just missed it, but a minute ago there was like 8 or 9 of them up here. They're all cruising around, and I'm hopefully going to be going in the next 10 minutes. Hey guys, we're gonna get wild. He's gonna do some 360s hopefully here, and this will be a little bit up and down, but it's cool. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah! Incredible. Whoa! That's insane. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so epic up here. You guys have a view of where I am up here in the French Alps, just enjoying the view up here, paragliding here with all of you. Beautiful spot. Just the most epic views you can imagine up here. Just speechless for being up here. And I'm telling you, a relaxing time, just enjoying a beautiful day at 32 degrees, and I mean, come on. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, down there, 5, 6, 7, 8 guys up here, just enjoying it. And how high up are we all over? How many meters? 1,400 meters above sea level, and I mean, it's incredible. There's something about it up here when you feel the gliding, just like you're a bird. It's incredible. Guys, I just want to say, I try and do all these videos for you guys to get some of the best shots I can, the best views you can see wherever I travel. And I'm telling you right now, up here in the French Alps, enjoying the most beautiful views. It is epic. I just, wow. I gotta say, guys, that was pretty epic. Most intense run, doing some 360s up there. That was pretty fun, and I mean, wow, what an adventure. And like I said, guys, I just gotta say, look at this view one more time. Paragliding, definitely for me. I say, guys, that was epic.